So TONOR has sent me the Q9 USB microphone kit, this little baby here. This has a 2-year guarantee and it could be the best microphone you've ever bought. We will be doing an unboxing and a test to see how good a quality of sound this can actually produce. So with that, I better get on with it, hey. Right, so Q9 USB condenser microphone, links in the video description. I will send you a link, or I will place a link in the video description to the Amazon website and also to their website, their own website. So you have a choice of where you want to purchase it from. So we have a pop filter. Yeah, I will be using a pop filter. Instructions. A mounting bracket. This will be shock resistant, so it stops vibration, anti-vibration. A wind muffler. Again, we'll probably use the wind muffler, but it's not windy in here, but you know, you have the choice. A USB converter to USB, which you will need. A desk mounting bracket. Look at this. If I can get her out, he says. There's a little gap there. Oh no, it's got to be torn open. Literally. So yeah, standard sort of thing. Wasn't expecting it to be anything else really. The microphone, good weight by the way. Very nice. Oh, it's got a plus and a minus on it. That's unusual. Yeah, that's very good. First impressions, yeah, it looks nice. Nice bit of weight. And if I can get her out, and the actual stand itself. Now, be careful with these, they can be a bit springy when opening them up. But that one feels fine. And any sharp edges? No sharp edges, which I do like. Nothing worse than cutting your hands on them. But yeah, that feels fine. So give me a second while I set it all up. First things first, it is plug and play. I plugged it into my monitor. Yes, my monitor, because my monitor has USB connections, and then that is connected to my PC. Money saving tip. Yeah, worked straight away, got recognised by Windows, had no issues with that whatsoever. Also, the plus and minus button. Yes, they are for turning up the volume or minusing the volume on the microphone recording. Also, if you hold the plus button in or the minus button, apparently it mutes it. So I'm going to try it right now. I'm going to hold in the plus button to start with. You have to hold it in for so many seconds. And then a single quick press to bring it back to life again. Like I said, it does do plus and minus. So I'm going to turn the volume down, see what happens. I'm going to keep on talking. I'm looking at my chart and it's gone right down. And that's gone into mute now, isn't it? So I'm bringing the volume back up now. And that's where, you know, roughly where I want it. So It might be a little bit too high actually. Turn it down a little bit. Just a little bit. That's probably better. Also, if you want a deeper voice sound from your voice, get closer to the mic. Hello, how are you? What are you doing today? Now, does that sound a little bit deeper in my voice? To go further away, it's not so deep. And that's a standard thing on most microphones. The closer you get to it, it should get a slightly deeper voice coming out of the microphone. Hopefully, anyway, in theory. This is a Condenser microphone. Basically, it's designed, you must point it in the right direction, which I don't have it in the right. I just realised it needs to be turned a little bit, which is just done. Yeah. So, yeah, now it's in the right direction, or it's facing more towards me. So hopefully it should pick up a bit more sound. Yeah, definitely plug and play. It seems to work with no issues, and so far so good. So you might be thinking, well, what is this for? Who is this for? Well, it is for a variation of people. Say for instance you want to do a podcast, so perfect for doing podcasts. Or say for instance you want to play music, again it should work fine. Or if you want to talk to your friends online while you're gaming, yeah, another good reason to have one of these. Or if you're a budding singer or future singer, someone who wants to do singing, this is what this is for. It's got a nice little blue LED to show you that it's actually on, which I quite like. I thought, oh, that's very nice. Yeah, so far so good, but I haven't actually listened to it myself. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video, have a listen to it, and then I'm going to tell you what I think about it. But so far so good. It does everything it's supposed to do. It's got its own arm, it's got its pop filter. I've put on the other filter as well. You don't need to put this on, but it came with it, and I thought, well, I'm going to do, try it all out, plug everything in, connect everything, and give it a proper test. So give me a second. I'm going to have a listen to the music, I'm going to have a listen to the sound quality, and I will tell you whether it's well worth buying or not. So with that, I'll be back. Right, I've had a good listen to the audio, and yeah, nice and clear, had no interference whatsoever, and I wouldn't expect it anyway, but I needed to make sure it was nice and clear, and it is. Definitely gets my thumbs up for the audio, and that's what you're paying for really. Nice clear audio, and you get a whole kit that goes with it as well, but the main point is the audio any good? And it is. Definitely gets my thumbs up, like I said. Let me know in the comments whether it gets your thumbs up for the audio. It definitely gets my thumbs up. Also, the other thing I liked about it is the plus and the minus button. Yeah, button. Normally, on a microphone, you normally get a dial. Or most of the ones that I've seen are normally dials anyway. But this is a button. And I thought, well, I quite like that actually. I got used to it. It's really good. And also it's got a little LED, a blue LED light on it to tell you when it's on. And I thought, that's really good. I like that. Yeah, nice and clear, but it's not a blinding blue light. It's just a subtle blue light. And I thought it was really good. Yeah, for what you get, or for what you pay for, you're getting a whole kit, not just a microphone. You're getting a whole kit. And it's perfect for someone who's just starting up something like podcasting or anything like that. This is perfect. Let me know in the comments what you think, whether you agree with me or not, that this is a good starter kit or a good professional kit. You could use this as a beginner or a professional. It works and does the job very well, in my opinion. So with that, as always, I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. And consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you any money whatsoever. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, baby.